Hi everybody, welcome to this Gallery Teacher Workshop. My name is Cristina and the topic of the webinar is recycling vocabulary. How can we recycle vocabulary? What kind of activities we should do in the classroom? First of all, we will be looking at why is it important for our students to retain vocabulary, and why then we will be looking at why is it that our students cannot remember the vocabulary. No matter how contextualized and how in-depth we look at the vocabulary in the classroom, why is it that our students can't seem to remember it? We will then be looking at what can we as teachers do to ensure that our students retain that lexis that we spend so much time trying to present. We will be then looking at activities that work not only on receptive knowledge of the lexis, but also the activities that work on productive knowledge of the lexis, as the aim of all our activities should be that the learners are able to use the lexis in a spoken or in a written form. I hope you find this useful.